All right, today I'm going to use this Cascade Platinum Dishwasher Cleaner. It's supposed to help eliminate limescale, grease, and odors in my dishwasher machine. So it comes in a pack, all right? And so I'm going to open it up, back. And to use this, the direction says, for each concentrated pack, quickly dissolves completely in water. One cleaner for a machine when you're doing this. And so let's see where the directions are. I believe they are on, they're actually on the pack in here. So let's read this. It says simply place one pack in the main dispenser cup and close dispenser, and then let it do the cleaning. A second pack may be required for machines with heavy buildup. My machine does not have a heavy buildup, so I'm just going to go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. So open this up, and it looks like a normal wash pack. And so I'm going to take this and I'm going to do what it says. I'm going to place this. Here's my dishwasher right here. It's not really bad with lime scale, but I'm trying to prevent the buildup from happening. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, place it in the main compartment, close it, and then I'm just going to run the wash as I normally would. All right, so turn it on. Whoop. Turn it on, and then just run the wash. Press start, and let's see it do its work. All right, it is done. Let's see how it looks. See, it's nice, clean. It smells really fresh. If there was any lime in there that was crusted on, it is now removed because of the pack. And there you have it, nice and clean.